Hola! I thought I would give some classes de español. Español means Spanish, and a lot of people want to learn to speak Spanish. And the first word that I'm going to teach you is hablar. Hablar means to speak, and you can remember that because you can connect it. If I said blah blah blah, then you might think I'm talking about somebody going blah blah blah. And what are they doing when they're going blah blah blah? They're speaking, right? So that's how I suggest you remember that hablar is to speak. So you're going to hablar español. You could use it to pretend that you don't speak English. Hablar español might not be as effective as you want, but well, it's a start, isn't it? Hablar español is to speak Spanish. So why do you want to hablar español? Well, it's for when you go de vacaciones, right? And what's vacaciones? It's vacations, which is holidays. So you're going to hablar español when you go de vacaciones. And where would you go de vacaciones right now? Well, you can go to Las Kitchenas, or you can go to La Rotunda del Sofá. You can go to Los Gardenas or Las Balconías, and it's a wide variety of options for you to go de vacaciones and hablar español. Can you learn that for tomorrow? Tomorrow is mañana. So try to remember for mañana, when I'll come back and test you, that hablar español is to speak Spanish. I think you've got that now. Okay, hasta mañana. Adiós.